Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see game activity in Discord. So in this case, you have to log into your Discord first. Obviously, Discord application, not Discord from browser, but from Discord application. After log into your Discord application from your PC, go here user settings, then scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find activity settings. Then if you click on this activity privacy, in this option if you don't find any gaming activity, then you have to click on registered games. Okay, you will find here all of your games. I don't have any games in my computer right now, that's why you cannot see here. So if you want to add, click on add it, name your games, just drag down and you will see all of your games here in your computer. So like this, I'm choosing this one. Okay, now clicking on add game, you can see here this game is added here. So after adding your games, that games will be show here all of your gaming activities. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this very helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.